In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend audio with Suno AI, whether you're a musician looking to enhance a song or a content creator aiming to refine your audio tracks. This guide will walk you through the process of using Suno AI to extend your audio creatively and effectively. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make your audio pieces shine. First things first, you'll want to log into your Suno AI account. If you don't have an account yet, head over to Suno's website and create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your homepage. Here, you can browse through a list of your favorite tracks. If you have a specific song in mind that you want to extend, you can select it directly from this page. This feature is great if you already know what track you want to tweak. Alternatively, if you're looking for more options or want to revisit an older project, simply click on the Library tab. This will take you to a broader selection of your saved audios. Take your time to find the song you're interested in extending. Once you've pinpointed the song, look for the three-dot icon situated next to the song title. Click on this icon to open a menu of options available for that track. From this menu, select the Remix Edit option. This will open up a more detailed editing interface specifically designed for song modification. Among the variety of choices available, you'll see an option labeled Extend. Click on Extend to initiate the extending process for your chosen audio track. Inside this intuitive interface, you'll find tools to help you add new content. This can include enhancing the audio with new sections, extending certain parts to give it more depth, or even integrating additional instrumental or vocal segments. For instance, you can click on Add Vocals to layer additional vocal tracks on top of your existing audio. Or, if it's the music that needs more flair, Add Instrumental provides you with a range of instrumental sounds to choose from. Feel free to experiment with different styles and lyrics as well by clicking on Use Styles and Lyrics. This feature allows you to tailor the creative direction of your track and experiment with a variety of themes and genres aligned with your artistic vision. It's like having your own virtual studio with expansive creative capabilities. Once you're satisfied with the changes, the final step is to simply click on Create. This will compile all your adjustments and craft the final extended version of your audio. And there you have it. After a few steps with Suno AI, you've enhanced your audio track, giving it a fresh, new sound that's sure to captivate listeners. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly extended audio masterpiece.